Precision manufacturing is about more than producing parts. It's about building processes that customers can depend on every time. Since 1963, Mitotec Precision has supported customers across medical, defense, firearms, aerospace, and industrial markets by delivering complex machined components where performance and reliability matter. Over the years, our commitment to continuous improvement and operational excellence has been recognized across the manufacturing industry. Among many other accolades, Mitotec has been named to the INC 5000, recognized as the top shop among modern machine shops' top shops, and our CEO is honored as a Wisconsin Titans 100 and Small Business Person of the Year, distinctions that reflect both performance and leadership. Our team and processes are also regularly featured in leading manufacturing publications like Production Machining, Defense and Munitions, and Modern Machine, highlighting the technology, people, and systems that drive our success. But awards are not the goal. They are the result of consistent execution, strong partnerships, and a focus on doing the work the right way. Our role is simple: remove manufacturing uncertainty. Through integrated quality systems, engineering expertise, advanced production technology, and experienced people, we help customers move from concept to consistent production. At Mitotec, precision means predictable results.